Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address in Microsoft Teams in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Teams app. Go ahead and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From that drop-down menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This will automatically open up your Microsoft Account Management page in your web browser. Once that page loads, look at the top menu and click on the Your Info tab. Scroll down just a little bit until you see the Account Info section, which displays your current email address. Right below that, click on Edit Account Info. On this new page, you have full control. You can click Add Email to link a brand new email address to your account. Once your new email is added, you can also remove the old one if you no longer need it. And it's that simple. That is how you change your email address in Microsoft Teams. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more guides. Thanks for watching.